It is. Ketchup with the steak, man. What else could you want? Today we're gonna switch it up again, and we're gonna teach you guys how to cook a Mexican steak. You know, so stay tuned. Got a sirloin steak here. We're gonna eat it with the LeBron James Space Jam macaroni and cheese, with the butter and mashed potatoes. There's the steak right there. We already got the macaroni and cheese going. It's almost ready because I'm actually making this for my little girl. It's gonna be one of the little sides for us. But you know, we actually got the steak right here. We're gonna use salt for seasoning. Son Goya. This is some Mexican stuff right here. It's really good. We're only gonna be real light on it just to give it a little bit of color. Complete seasoning, but Mexican style, and then lemon and pepper. You know, this is the stuff that I use to make my steaks with, and we just put it on top, and let it sit for a little bit on both sides, and then we throw that bitch in the fryer. So let's get on it real quick. All right, so we're preheating this thing up. It's pretty hot because we just got done making the macaroni and cheese. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna drop a little bit of oil. I don't like to put that much oil so it's not that greasy. Like that's plenty enough right there. We'll actually set it to the side. Let's go ahead and season the steak up. Let's go ahead and drop some salt. I like very light with seasonings because I actually like to taste the steak and not the seasonings. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop this real quick. That's the complete seasoning. Then we're gonna drop the lemon pepper real quick. The lemon pepper I feel like gives it a little flavor, a little Mexican flavor. So we'll repeat the same thing. Oh, hold on. Let's go ahead and drop the Mexican one. This is the secret Krabby Patty sauce right here. This is just to give it a little bit of flavor, or coloring actually. It does give it an extra flavor, but not that much. So drop some of this stuff, some of that, and some salt, guys. Let's go ahead and drop this real quick too. Not that much, just a little bit. So we're gonna drop a little bit of butter. Actually, a lot of bit of butter. Look at that. Butter will give it a little bit of good flavor too as well. We'll let that melt real quick. And the macaroni and cheese is already done. LeBron James, shout out. Good movie. Watch it if you haven't. I'm gonna go ahead and let this drop right quick. Okay, we got the setting at real low. Let's go ahead and grab this steak and we'll just drop it in real quick. Alright, look at that thing. I like to flip my my steak back and forth. I don't like to let it sit in one spot, because I feel it'll get burned like that. We'll go ahead and flip it like that. See that orange stuff? That's this right here. This is Son Goya. That orange color that you see, like I said, it gives a little bit of color, and gives it that extra little like Mexican taste, which is really good, So like I said, I don't like every seasoning on it, because I do like to taste the steak. But the lemon pepper gives it a little Mexican taste, and complete seasoning, that really gives it, brings it to life. So let's go ahead and cook this guy up real quick. Let's get cleaned up. So we don't have a bunch of stuff laid out. Let's get this. We're gonna make the mashed potatoes here as that steak is cooking. Man, I really love cooking, man. So like, I may drop a lot of more cooking videos. I like to stay open to the stuff that I post, videos that I upload. And I like to cook. I may cook a little something that you guys, like. Once you try it out, we got the macaroni in it. I like to let the macaroni sit for like at least 5 minutes, let that cheese soak up. We got the water going so we can drop these mashed potatoes. This ain't really hard. This will probably be done in the next 15 minutes. Who wouldn't like a meal in 15 minutes, man? We'll give her another quick little flip. Nice. Alright, so the water is boiling. We're gonna go ahead and drop these mashed potatoes in there. We're gonna pull them out because them things are splattering everywhere. Sir. Oh yeah, there you go. Let's actually turn this off because it is hot. Mashed potatoes on point, man. side. Look at that. Mashed potatoes, macaroni, and a steak. Man, this is a lunch. This is definitely a lunch. We probably got at least like another 2 minutes on the steak. After this one, it should be done. So we can start prepping our plate. Let's get some mashed potatoes going inside here. See how much. We still don't want to overdo ourselves, guys. This is a big boy meal right here. Okay, so that's that. Holler at the LeBron James real quick. Oh, we spilled. Since we're cooking, we gotta clean up. We don't like to be messy. Alright. That's what LeBron James is talking about. Let's go ahead and turn this off. Let's pull this steak. Look at that. Now that's a meal right there. In 15 minutes. I don't think any of the video is going to be even no more than 5 minutes. But look, 15 minutes in the steak, and we are done. What do you guys think? Comment down below what you think, man. What do you think? Macaroni and cheese, mashed potatoes, and a steak. Me, I love ketchup with a lot of stuff, especially steak. So we're going to add the ketchup real quick. Ketchup with the steak, man. What else could you want? Alright, as you can see, we are done. We're fixing to start eating. We got the LeBron James Space Jam macaroni, butter mashed potatoes, the Mexican steak with the ketchup. You got the Mexican jarrito going on. And man, this lunch is going to be bomb. Comment down below, let me know what you think about the food. Let me know if you like the video. Man, let me know anything, man. So I'm going to go ahead and start eating at this. And I'm going to crack away, so I'll catch you guys on the flip side.